Hi, thanks for clicking my video. This channel is dedicated to helping people generate their own passive income using free sites like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon. I focus on teaching people about how to become successful on print on demand for 3 reasons. Number 1, it requires absolutely no money to be invested and no stock. Number 2, I believe anyone can do it. They can be successful without any prior experience or skills. Number 3, I've done it myself for years, so I can show you everything you need to know step by step for free. I've helped thousands of people over the past couple of years and I release new content every week that should help you too. If you're skeptical and wondering what the catch is, then good on you, to be honest. There's a lot of crap out there on YouTube. What I would say is just look at the comments on any of my videos as proof that it's legit. I'm not trying to sell anything or do anything dodgy. Just good information that's helpful for people. I know that your time's valuable, so I work hard on my videos to keep them as short and to the point as possible, sharing my passive income knowledge, tips and resources without any of the unnecessary BS. I know what it's like to work a job that you hate and feel stuck, so that's why I share the techniques that have made me financially independent to help you achieve the same. At the very least, you'll learn a new skill for free and get paid again and again for the work that you do once. If you're interested in that, subscribe to my channel so you know when I've released new content and check out the videos that are already here. Cheers.